know if that's still true, if it's not even bigger. So anyways, we came to see the thing. That was the thing. We're gonna go grab a coffee. We'll go from there. Probably an incredible city if you don't have to worry about your van, where you're parking, all that kind of shit. But because that was kind of my main concern, it just made no sense for me to drive in. So I left the van at Teotihuacan and I will go back after it tonight. So we got a little coffee, place called Drip. Honestly, we're gonna just hit up this Park Mexico, just kind of roaming, you know? I mean, I'll tell you what, like, I'm not a street photographer, I'm not a street shooter, and so I have a hard time like in these places because I don't know what to capture. I'm actually surprised by the amount of green spaces and the amount of trees and kind of just everything around the whole city. It's actually really pleasant. I think a lot of American and Canadian cities really need to take note of the way the Mexicans have done it, because this is pretty incredible. I mean, just look at where we are. In order to like put gas in my van, I need this like little funnel, but it's like not like a regular funnel. The tail end is like a little bit more extended. And so I fucking had one and I didn't know what it was for, so I threw it away. Because I was like, this is taking up too much space, and I fucking regret it now. It's $10. It's not a problem, it's not the money. I just walked 3 kilometers to a Ford auto parts store to try and pick one up, and they didn't have it. And so that means I have to walk now 3 kilometers back. That's okay, we get to see Mexico City while we do it. So anyways, it's fine. Now I can go grab some lunch and probably start my adventure back towards Teotihuacan. So that's kind of where we're at right now, but it's been a trek here. Okay, amigos, I got dinner, I got some snacks, and now we're gonna go get our ass on a bus and fucking skedaddle. There goes our bus. I'm sure another one will come soon. I would have loved to have a bag. My backpack's full of my jacket, my camera. I got some snacks for like tomorrow. I basically have no more food in the van. I've got some canned tuna and canned cod, and that's gonna be dinner for the next couple of days. Today dinner will be this, and then some of these other goodies. But it's basically where we're at. So I gotta get a bag, man. There's a Circle K that fucking me. Let me go grab something from there and throw the shit in the bag. Okay, hasta luego. So the whole thing, oh God, I hate not having a good understanding of the language. I got on a bus. It went in the general direction, but it wasn't following the bus route. I don't know if that was because it was trying to avoid traffic or whatever, but anyways, I got off the bus. And now I am 17 kilometers from where I need to be. So option 1, order a DD. No DD is coming for me. Option 2, start walking and then order a DD. So we started walking and hope to God we arrive somewhere in that same general direction. So I'm just gonna walk until it gets a little darker, because why the fuck not? This is the whole part of the adventure. So there's like no system. Like there probably is for the locals, but if you're not a local, there's no system. So here I am in a little town. I have some water, I have some food, todo bien, but I am a little bit lost. Buenas. I am a little bit lost, and we're just kind of in for it. So let's see where the rest of the fucking afternoon takes us. We'll see. It smells good though. Doesn't look like we got a DD, so we're walking. We've put in 4.3, we got 12 to go. It's a fucking stretch, and as you can tell behind me, there is absolutely no room to walk on this little road. So this is it. This is the grand adventure. I'm trying to make it back to mi Mexico lindo, from fucking downtown Mexico. Vamos. Okay, I finally got me a DD. Holy fuck, that was a trip. I walked, look at that, 5.64 kilometers. And luckily someone came to my rescue. Honestly, I was about to walk the rest. Like, I kid you fucking not. I mean, like, I'm a third of the way there. It was 15 kilometers when I left the bus. It's funny, I asked a girl on the bus that was sitting next to me. I was like, hey, is this going towards Teotihuacan? And she said, sí. And I was like, okay, bueno. And then the bus just like wasn't going in that direction. And then I said, fuck, I ought to get off. And so I got off. And then she looks at me like, I think what I picked up on that was that I should not have gotten off here. And so anyways, I did. And now I'm here. And everyone's looking at me like I'm fucking crazy, but what can you do? El gringo loco, you know? So my friend Luis is coming in about 5 minutes. and he's gonna give me a nice little ride, literally the exact same direction that I just left. So anyways, fuck it, we got a ride. We don't have to walk the remainder 11 or 12 kilometers, so that's nice. We'll leave it at that. We'll catch you guys later. Hasta luego.